How to change the notification sound on Facebook Messenger. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. Open up Messenger and just make sure to log into your account. Find the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings. And from your settings, find the notification option. Scroll down and find Notification and Sounds. From here, you can scroll down and you can find the Facebook Messenger ringtone. And then from here, you could also find the customized notification. So just tap on it. Now it will open up your phone settings. Go to sound. By default, it is the app provided sound. So if you just go ahead and if you want to change it, you could just go ahead and select any other sound from these lists. So if I want this sound right here, I can select this. And if I go back, now whenever I get a new message, this sound will start playing as notification. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.